You learn the lesson of how to or why do you have to inspect your equipments. You should never trust the manufacturer. Here, this is a climbing spike. Discovered that it was very uncomfortable going up on a tree. Discovered that it was loose. Those have to be tightened. Don't think there is a torque specification. Just have to tighten them such that you are secure. Every time you climb on a tree, you have to make sure that your spikes are tightened. This is one, both of them were loose. So when I started climbing, my entire body was shaking. Yeah. So this might easily break down if you don't pay attention to inspect your equipment before you climb. Another thing, that strap, the strap is very close to the bottom. If you lose this one, you are in trouble. You will have to come down on a rope. If you over tighten this one, it's going to squeeze the blood in your. You have two straps here. One at the foot at the ankle, and one in the middle of the tibia or the lower leg. The upper part you have to tighten it, but not very tight, so you don't get a pinch point. So now I have to fix that problem, and when I ran into the problem of having loose spikes, start appreciating the extra straps that come with it. This one right here. This is the life-saving extra part. It comes with the strap, but if you don't know what to use it for, you might not appreciate it. Have another one like this. I will find it out under all this garbage, junk. I never thought I'd be looking for it. Now I have a lesson. Right here. Those two straps, extra straps, you lose them on the ankle. So the spike can be secure around your foot. You don't wiggle and break your teeth. So that is a lesson I learned. This is not the first lesson. I bought before cables with a steel wire inside the rope, the climbing ropes. And that was no fun at all. Those are hexagonal. Bingo. It will work. This one will work. Yeah, it will work. All I need is a wrench. Is to find the wrench. the grapes already. Yeah. I think that's tight enough until next time. Every time I have to climb, I have to make sure this one are tight.